Good morning children. In previous class we discussed exercise 9.1. In today's class we discuss exercise 9.2. So our chapter is chapter 9 statistics exercise 9.2 page number 210. Let's see what is that. Weights of parcels in a transport office are given below. Here weights and number of parcels. The 50 kg weights parcels 25 are there. 34 parcels are there whose weight is 65 like that. Here he has given. It is ungrouped data children. Group data is not there. Find the mean weight of the parcel. He is asking mean. In previous class, we discussed three measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. Mean for group data and ungrouped data, median for group and ungroup, mode for group and ungroup. But for your in your ninth class, only mean, median, mode is there for ungrouped data. For grouped data, it is there in your 10th class. So we will solve mean by ungrouped data only. So what is the formula for mean by ungrouped data? That is summation fi xi by summation fi. So three columns we need to prepare to find mean for ungrouped data. Three columns we need to prepare. First column is whatever weight he has given, that is nothing but xi, and number of parcels is nothing but frequencies which we denoted by fi, and we need to multiply this xi and fi is the third column. Am I clear children? Weight he has given, I copied. Number of parcels he has given, I copied from the question. Same, we need to add these frequencies, that is nothing but number of parcels values we need to add, that is summation fi. If you add this 25, 34, 38, 40, 47 and 16, you will get 200. Clear children? Now fi xi means these two numbers we need to multiply. 50 into 25, that is 1250. 65 into 34, that is 2210. 75 into 38, 2850. 90 into 40, 3600. 110 into 47, 5170. 120 into 16, 1920. Clear children? Now these fi xi column values we need to add, that is nothing but summation fi xi. If you add these all numbers, you will get 17,000. Clear children? How to add, how to find fi and xi? Now see what is mean. Mean equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Summation fi xi is 17,000 divided by summation fi is 200. Clear children? These two zeros and these two zeros from numerator and denominator we can cancel. So 2 ones 2, 2 8 16, remainder is 1, that become 10, 2 5 10. So what is mean children? 85. So mean weight of the parcel is 85 kg. Clear children? Now let's see one more problem by mean method only, but one frequency is missing. Let's see. If the mean of the following frequency distribution is 7.2, find the value of k. See here, x value he has given and f value he has given. In f value, one value is missing. In that place he mentioned k. So we have mean formula, mean equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. It is ungrouped data only children. As I told you, in your 9th class you have to find mean, median, mode for ungrouped data only. Clear? Then he has given mean, that is 7.2 he has given. 7.2 can we write 72 by 10. After 0.1 digit means we should divide by 10, that is 72 by 10. So for mean we need to prepare three columns. Already two column values he has given. Third column is fx. Clear? X values I have copied, f value also I have copied from the table. Now fx means we need to multiply these two. 2 into 4, 2 4s 8, 4 into 7, 4 7s 28, 6 into 10, 60, 8 into 16, 128, 10 into k is 10k, 12 into 3 is 36. One number and one variable, that means constant and variable will multiply, will get 10k, like that only. 10k constant variable, like this term will get 3 into x, 3x. Clear children? Add these frequencies values, that is summation fi. 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 10 21, 21 plus 16 37, 37 plus k you leave children, add number only. 37 plus 3 40, plus this k as it is, because constants and variables when we add it, we can't add it. So as it is, we'll separately will add constant and separately will keep variables, like that. 40 plus k. Am I clear children? Similarly, this fx we need to add, that is nothing but summation fi xi. So 8 plus 28 plus 60 plus 128 plus 36, you leave 10k. Clear? So we'll get 260 plus this 10k we will add because it's a variable and these all are constants. Constant we will add separately, variable we will add separately. Clear children? So summation fi xi is 260 plus 10k. So we have mean formula, summation fi xi by summation fi. Mean he has given. So in this mean place, can we write 72 by 10? Yes, we can write. So we are writing that is equal to summation fi xi is 260 plus 10k divided by summation fi is 1040 plus k. Clear children? Now we need to do the cross multiplication. So this 72 into 40 plus k, that is equal to 10 into 260 plus 10k. Clear children? 72 into 40 plus 72 into k. We have to open this bracket with 72. Clear? So 10 into 260 plus 10 into 10k. Clear children? Now 72 into 40 is 2880 plus 72 into k, 72k, that is equal to 10 into 260 is 2600 plus 10 into 10k is 100. 10 tens 100k. Clear? Now we need to separate the variables and constant. This 2880 I am keeping this side only. This one 260 I am bringing 2600 I am bringing this side. So minus 2600, that is equal to this 100k I am keeping this side only. This 72k I am sending another side. That become minus 72k. So 2880 minus 2600 is 280. That is equal to 100 minus 72 is 28. Clear children? So 28k is equal to 280. K you keep here only, 28 send that side. Here it is in multiplication. After going that side, it will come under division. Clear children? So k equal to 280 by 28. 28 ones 28. 28 ones 28. 28 zeros 0. So k equal to 10. Clear children? Now let's see how to find the median. Centuries, score and number of cricketers in the world are given below. Here number of centuries and how many matches, how many cricketers got these centuries. Like 56 cricketers got the 5 centuries. 23 cricketers 10 centuries, like that he has given. Find the mean, median and mode of the given data. Mean just now we saw, like that only you do mean. I will show you median and mode. Let's see, for median also we need to prepare 3 columns. First one, number of centuries, that is nothing but xi, and number of cricketers, that is nothing but fi frequencies. Clear children? Now third column we need to find the cumulative frequencies. How to find cumulative frequency children? Let's see. From the frequency only we can find the cumulative frequency. First frequency as it is we will write. Second frequency, first this 56 plus 23 we need to do 79. This 79 plus 39 we need to do 118. This 118 plus 13 we need to do 131. This 131 plus 8 is 139. Are you getting my point children? How to find the cumulative frequency? First one as it is. Second one, from frequency column we will find the cumulative frequency. 56 plus 23, 79. 79 plus 39, 118. 118 plus 13, 131. 131 plus 8, 139. Clear children? Now you see n by 2. N is nothing but this sum of the frequencies. Summation fi is n only. That is 139. So we need to divide 139 by 2. That is 2 ones, you see here, 139 by 2. 2 6 12, remainder is 1, take 19. 2 9s 18, remainder is 1, keep point and take 0. 2 5s 10. Clear? So 69.5 we are getting n by 2. This 69 by 5 you see in cumulative frequency column. Are you getting my point children? You see in cumulative frequency column we got. So circle this full row. Clear children? Circle this full row. So when we circle, see the x value. Where is x value? 10 here. That is nothing but median. Am I clear children? N by 2 you need to find, that is 69.5. Search this value in the cumulative frequency. Exact value or more value only, not less value. More of 69 only you should take. That is 79. Circle that full row. See, come to the centuries, that is xi you come. 10 here, that is the median. Am I clear children? Median here. Now let's see mode. For mode, no need to prepare anything. Whatever he has given xi and fi, number of centuries and number of cricketers we need to write. For mode, what is mode, children? The observation which occur most frequently, again and again, the number which is repeated. So in that frequency column, you see what is the highest frequency here? 56. So mode will be this xi. What is xi here? 5. Which frequency is highest? Beside that, which value is there xi? That is the mode. Clear, children? So mode is 5. So today's your homework is chapter 9, exercise 9.2, question number 2, 8, page number 210 and 211. Clear, children?